You would have thought that the styrofoam waste that we usually throw away can be transformed into shiny and clear wood varnish. In this video, we'll show you easy steps to turn used styrofoam into a budget-friendly and beautiful varnish for your favorite wood. Prepare the materials, use styrofoam thinner, and a small container. Make sure the location is open and has good air circulation. Cut the styrofoam into small pieces to make it easier to dissolve. Pour enough thinner into a small container. Wear gloves to keep your hands safe. Stir carefully. This process will dissolve the styrofoam and produce a clear, varnish-like liquid. If the solution seems too runny or not thick enough, add more styrofoam pieces gradually. Stir again slowly until the texture is right. Now, the varnish is ready to use. Apply it to the sanded wood surface and enjoy the results: shiny, clear, and long-lasting. I started coating the door with a homemade wood varnish, a mixture of thinner and used styrofoam. The liquid is clear and light, making it very easy to apply to the wood surface. With a brush, I applied it slowly and evenly to the entire door from top to bottom, leaving no gaps. Each stroke of the brush brought the wood's color back to life and its luster, like new again. I ensured the finish was neat, without clumps, and perfectly covered all corners. Despite the simple ingredients, the end result was still satisfying and gave a clean and elegant impression. Applying wood varnish to your home's doors is an essential form of maintenance that is often overlooked, yet it plays a major role in preserving both the strength and beauty of the wood over time. Wooden doors that are left unvarnished are more susceptible to absorbing moisture, becoming dull, and suffering from damage caused by termites, mold, and shifting weather conditions. Constant exposure to sunlight, heat, and rain can cause the wood to swell, shrink, or even crack as the years go by. This is where varnish acts as a protective barrier. A smooth, even layer of varnish seals the pores of the wood, helps maintain its structural integrity, and protects the original color from fading or discoloration. In addition to protection, varnish also enhances the wood's natural look by adding a clean, glossy finish that makes your door appear fresh and new even after years of use. This simple treatment only needs to be applied once or twice a year, depending on your local climate, but it can significantly extend the life of the wood. It's a cost-effective solution that prevents long-term damage and expensive repairs. In the end, varnishing your door is not just about aesthetics, it's a smart and lasting investment in your home's value and durability. And that's the simple process of making and applying wood varnish using leftover styrofoam and thinner. I hope this was helpful and inspires you to care for your wooden surfaces at home. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Berikut hasilnya ya.